centuries, ceramic and glass pieces were used for beautiful displays. China vases and sculptures were carefully handcrafted and decorated. In different times and places around the world, one-of-a-kind artwork was created. Welcome to Wiener Museum of Decorative Arts, the best ceramic and glass art museum, one of the only few museums of its kind in the whole world. Let's go and check it out. Hi Louise.
Hi Elizabeth.
This place is so beautiful. Tell me more about it.
We're the Wiener Museum of Decorative Arts, and our focus is the art of ceramics and glass. The collection was formed by Arthur Wiener, who's been a passionate collector of ceramics and glass for over 25 years. So distinct from other museums where you might expect to see paintings on the wall or sculptures in bronze, we focus on all the beautiful art that's been made of clay and of glass. What we have here is a wonderful collection of ceramic and glass art dating back to the 18th century and coming right up to the present day. So at WMODA we'll see pieces that you just don't see anywhere else in the world, and we welcome everybody to come and enjoy our wonderful part of our heritage with us.
In the 18th century, when British travelers fell in love with Italian and Greek art they saw on their grand tour of Europe, they requested similar pieces back home. So, looking for solutions, local potters started using clay to create beautiful ceramic art. British companies like Wedgwood and later Royal Doulton started creating high-end handmade dinnerware and ornamental art using a variety of techniques. With time, from French Art Nouveau and Art Deco to modern times, more and more artists started experimenting with the materials. WMODA features some of the most important artists, including the renowned René Lalique and Dale Chihuly, presenting collections of hot glass artwork. The other exhibitions, such as Stage and Screen, A Flair for Fashion, and the South African ceramic art, are totally breathtaking and a must-see. Another great thing is the fantastic activities they have here. Afternoon tea parties, a gathering around the table with beautiful English china, glass art classes, and meet and greets with wine and cheese.
WMODA is such a wonderful place. I am an artist myself. I work in glass, and one of the things that I love to look at the artwork here and see the details, the beauty. There's some of the most spectacular glass artwork. One can notice the detail, the fine brushwork, the beautiful glazes and color, and the stories behind them are what really bring me to the place.
So if you live in the area or are just visiting, you must visit WMODA. It will give you a new perspective on cultures, different eras, and the art of ceramic and glass in general. But before you rush in, take advantage of the creative deal they've designed specially for you.